I can't believe this. It's a yes, guys. It's a yes. Hey, loves. So I'm having a very bad heartburn. It's been since 2 days now. It's been happening for 2 days now. And I am getting weak and all that stuff. And look at these pimples. I don't put makeup on, so it's kind of hard to just deal with this. But I'm not expecting my period until next week. Today is the 11th, I'm expecting it on the 18th. Today is the 12th, so 6 days from now. Anyways, I went ahead and bought this 6 days sooner pregnancy testing. I mean, I don't know how this is going to be possible because I'm used to missing my period before knowing. But hit the subscribe button and let's check this out. Let's see if this really works. So this is what the test strip looks like. I mean, I took it out. It says 6 days sooner. Let's see. But in order to double check, I'm also going to be running a real HCG, which shouldn't show me anything until I miss my period, or it should show like faint lines until it gets darker when you miss your period. Now, the last time I tried this, I wasn't pregnant at all, so it was just one line. So if it shows me any sign of another line coming up, then this might be correct. Let me pee. Got my pee in a sterile cup, and that's where I'll be placing the test strip, both of them. So I opened it and it showed this. That means the test is ready. I have to pour urine over it for like how many seconds? Let me see. Oh, okay, for 5 seconds, while this other one has to be for 3 seconds. So that's what it shows. It kind of blinked a little bit and it shows that it's ready. I'm gonna take off the cap and then hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the other one and make sure I close it back. Take out one of these test strips. Go ahead and open them up. Open it up. Dipping it in the urine. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna place it. Oh my God, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm supposed to see my period next week. Because I've been feeling some heartburn and all that. I can't believe this. It's a yes, guys. It's a yes. You know what? By next week, I'll know for sure. Because I will be using the clear blue digital to make another test. But at least I see a faint line on this one. Look at that faint line over here. See? So that means by the time I miss my period next week, it will be a little visible. Alright guys, I'm actually happy. Look at my eyes, I'm so tired, always tired. I can't wait to share this pregnancy journey. I'm gonna make another video next week and see if this is real. Make sure you like and subscribe so that we can do this together. Bye.